Hi friends, in this video I am going to show you the unboxing of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Here is how the retail sales package of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus looks like. Here you can see the RAM 8GB and ROM is 128GB. I have ordered the cosmic grey color variant. Coming to the price mentioned on the box is 83,000, but during Big Billion Sale and Great Indian Sale the price of this Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is dropped to approximately 49,999. If you club with any bank offer, you will get a little bit cheaper. So without wasting any time, let's open the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Let's open the seal. Okay. Inside the box, you will get this one. Let's open. You will get a transparent case. The quality of this case is also good. And you will get a quick start guide. Here is some booklets, warranty information and so on. And also you will get a SIM ejector tool with the phone. Okay, here is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Here you can see the cosmic grey. Let's keep this one aside. And now let's see what we got inside the box. Here is a travel adapter. It supports fast charging. And I think it's a Type-C cable. And coming to the wire, you get a Type-C cable. Both the ends are Type-C. And also we get a earphones from AKG in the box itself. Here is the Type-C headphones. The headphone has a mic. You can control the volume also. Coming to the cable, this AKG headphones, it is braided. Here you can see the Samsung branding. Here you can see the extra pair of ear tips. Here is the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. The back of this Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus looks like this. Let's remove the stickers. Let's peel this sticker also. Now without wasting any time, let's try to power on this device. Once the phone is turned on, you can see Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus on the display. Here you can see that it is asking us to select the language and click on next. And you need to accept the terms and conditions. I am only selecting the first two options and click on next. In the next screen, it will ask you to connect to your Wi-Fi network. After connecting to the Wi-Fi network, click on next. Without wasting any time, I am going to set up the phone quickly. Now simply click on finish. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up and the user interface of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus looks like this. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus runs on One UI based on Android 10. Now let's go to settings and check the version of Android and the version of One UI. At the bottom you can see there is an option called as About Phone. Click on that. Click on software information. Here you can see that the version of One UI is 2.1 and the version of Android is Android 10. And when you click on the battery information, it is showing that 43% battery. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is equipped with 4500 mAh battery. And let's see whether there is any update. In the settings itself, click on software update. It is checking for updates. If there is an update, we are going to download this. We got an update. Here you can see that there is an update for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus and the download is currently going on, and the size of this update is 1362 MB. In this update, the performance of the camera is improved. Now let's go back. Now coming to the physical overview of the phone, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus has a big screen. It has 6.7 inch Quad HD Plus display. It has AMOLED Infinity O display. Here you can see the cutout for front facing camera, which is 10 megapixel. And at the top there is a SIM tray. Let's open the SIM tray. It's a hybrid SIM slot. You can use two SIM cards and a micro SD card. I'm going to place my SIM and I'm going to insert it. I have inserted my SIM and there is a secondary noise cancelling mic on the top. And coming to the right side, you have the volume rockers up and down and the power button. And coming to the bottom, you have the speaker grill and Type-C port for charging. And on the left side, it's empty. Coming to the back of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, you can see the quad camera setup. It has a 64 megapixel telephoto lens and it has a 12 megapixel main camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera and VGA depth camera. And it also has a flash. And here you can see the Samsung branding. The back of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is glass, so you have to be careful. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus supports wireless charging. The good thing about this Samsung Galaxy S20 series is that it supports 120Hz display. Let's test it. Let's open settings and let's click on display. Under display, you can see that by default, the refresh rate of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus is 60. Here you can see that under motion smoothness, you can simply select high refresh rate and click on apply. If you keep your phone on the 120 Hz, the user interface is very smooth, but it also drains your battery. For now, I'm going to set it to 60 Hz. Click on apply. Let's open the camera and let's take a sample shot. I'm not going to talk much about the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus camera performance because you already know the performance of Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus camera system. Here I'm going to take a simple shot. Let's take a zoom photo. Here you can see the 3x zoom. You can even scale up to 30x space zoom. If you want, you can try that. Now let's take an ultra wide shot. For those who are looking to buy a good Android phone under 50k, you can definitely go with Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus. Currently the price is very attractive. You can get it for approximately 45,000 if you club with any bank offers. So that's it guys. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.